In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring an email list to Podia. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your list, choose the right import option, and safely bring your contacts into Podia without headaches. First, let's get your email list ready. Podia works best with a CSV file, so make sure your spreadsheet is saved in that format. Your file should include a column for email, which is required, plus optional columns for first name, last name, and tags. Take a moment to clean your list before you import it. Remove invalid or duplicate email addresses, fix typos, and look for extra spaces or unusual characters that might cause issues. If you plan to segment later, consider adding tags now to label things like interests, product lines, or source. Keep column names clear and consistent so they're easy to match in the next step. When your CSV is ready, head to your Podia dashboard. Go to Audience, then Imports. Click the New Import button to begin. You'll be prompted to choose how you want these people imported. If the contacts are just subscribers, choose Import as subscribers only. If they're customers who should get access to something you sell, pick Import and give Product Access. If you're gathering interest for something coming soon, use Import and add to Waitlist. And if you run a Podia community and want to add them there, choose Import as community members. During this step, you can also apply tags right away, either by using an existing tag or creating a new one, which helps you organize your audience from the start. Next, click Prepare Import. Upload your CSV by dragging it into the window or browsing your computer. Podia will ask whether the first row of your file is a header row. If your top row contains labels like email or first name, confirm that it's a header. This makes mapping much smoother. Now map your data fields. Podia will show your CSV columns and let you match them to Podia's fields: email, first name, last name, and tags. Double-check that email is mapped correctly, because that's the key identifier. Make sure names align with the right fields, and verify that any tag column matches tags. Careful mapping helps avoid incorrect imports and saves time later. When everything looks good, start the import. Podia will process your list and notify you when it's complete. Larger lists can take a bit longer, so let it run. Once you see the confirmation, your contacts are ready to go in Podia. That's it. Your email list is successfully imported and organized.